Okay, question 3. 2x over 3 plus 5 equals 11. I'm going to start off by subtracting 5 from this side, subtracting 5 from there to get rid of that 5, and I'll be left with 2x over 3 equals 11 minus 5, which is 6. Let's get rid of that 3, so I'll multiply this side by 3, multiply this side by 3, and I'm left with 2x equals 18. Now, to get rid of that 2, I will divide this side by 2. I'll divide this side by 2. I'm left with x equals 9. Okay, question 4. There's several ways we can do this. I'm going to start off by treating these two terms as a fraction. So I'm going to find the lowest common denominator, in this case here will be 10. So I'm going to convert those two numbers to fractions with a denominator of 10. So this one, x over 2, will end up becoming 5x over 10. And this one will end up being 2x over 10 because I simply cross multiplied. So 2 times 5 gives me the 10, 2 times x gives me 2x, 5 times x gives me 5x, all that equals 3. We can simplify this to 5x plus 2x over 10 is 7x over 10 equals 3. Let's get rid of that 10, so I'll multiply this side by 10, I'll multiply this side by 10, and I'm left with 7x equals 3 times 10, which is 30. Okay, let's get rid of that 7, so I'll divide this side by 7, I'll divide this side by 7, and I'm left with x equals 4 and 2 sevenths. Okay, question 5. The simplest way of approaching this one is I'm just going to expand these brackets, so I'll end up with 5 times 2a plus 5 times 3 equals 2a plus 5. So 10a plus 15 equals 2a plus 5. Okay, let's get rid of the 15 from this side, and I'll subtract 15 from this side. 10a equals 2a minus 10. I'll get rid of this 2a, subtract 2a from this side also. I'm left with 8a equals minus 10. If I divide this side by 8, divide this side by 8, I'm left with a equals minus 1 and 2 eighths, which is the same as minus 1 and a quarter.